How to block someone on Snapchat. If you're trying to block someone on Snapchat, you just have to open up the application first. And then on the bottom, you'll find different options like Snap Map, Chat section, Camera, Stories, and then Spotlight. You just want to head over to the chat option and then simply search for your friend that you want to block. Now just search for their name. And once you have done that, what you need to do next is tap on their profile up top. And once you tap on their profile, in order to manage your friendship option, you just tap on the three lines at the top right. And then here you have different options. You can tap on manage friendship first. And you can block them, report them, remove friend, or edit the display name. To block them, simply tap on the first option. And it will ask you if you really want to block it. And if you're sure that you want to block it, then just tap on block and they won't be able to contact you again. And that's how you block someone on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next video.